Namaste. खुश रहो बेटिया. Myself JVM Ashish Khandelwal and I am going to teach you about radioactivity and ionizing radiation used in treatment of malignancy and its sources. So basically, that you always know, radiation is everywhere. Ultraviolet light stream down from the sun. Radon may seep from cracks in our basement. Nuclear energy keeps the light on in millions of homes across the world. X-rays and MRIs may be used to help diagnose injury and disease. The human body is bombarded with low doses of ionizing and non-ionizing radiation throughout the day from the sources of heat and light of waves from cell phones and microwaves. Our body has the ability to recover from radiation damage, says Anderson Ward, MD, Dover, radiation oncologist at our Phoenix Hospital. If we didn't, we wouldn't have made it a specialist this far in time. In high or sustained doses, however, radiation may be both damaging and devastating. The radiation may disassemble atoms and cause DNA damage in cells, leading to potentially serious side effects, including cancer. Ultraviolet light from the sun may damage skin cells and increase the risk of melanoma or other types of skin cancer. Radon, an odorless gas found in indoor areas and drinking water, has been linked to an increased risk of lung cancer. High doses of ionizing radiation may damage organs and cause blood disease or neurological disorder. Radiation was first discovered as a potential cancer treatment around the turn of the 20th century. But when the radiologists in those early years began developing leukemia, it was soon discovered that radiation may also cause cancer. In the decades that followed, the ravages of radiation poisoning have been recorded in the survivors of the 1945 nuclear bomb explosion in Japan, those exposed to nuclear weapon testing, and victims exposed after the 1986 explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. But researchers and doctors have learned to harness the power of radioactivity to damage cells and unleash it on cancer cells. And today, radiation therapy technologists are better able to focus that energy with accepting precision with tools designed to spare surrounding healthy tissue. The Calypso 4D localization system, for instance, is designed to adjust the radiation beam to a partner's patient's breathing and other neutral movement. Side effect patient experience after radiation treatment may be depend on the cancer it is being used to treat. We don't like to take unnecessary risk if there are other options. It doesn't mean we ignore the risk. धन्यवाद. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0.